Hello traders, again welcome back to a video. Today I'm going to take trade with candlestick analysis. It's USD JPY, and now we can see some sellers entry from that level. It's a resistance. Just wait, I will show you. Here we can see some reversal. So here it should be bearish because of but now the time is over and only 55%, so I think the market is closed. Okay, in two pairs, good payment, so we can avoid these two pairs and we can trade in these two pairs. It's Euro USD, and I took only with I'm going to trade only with $10 because here the market is not much good. So many doji candles here. There is a doji here, and but here we can go to the buyers. I placed it a call option because here we can see a doji and it indicate there is no sign of buyers. That's why again we are seeing a seller's candle here. Again I am seeing a doji. Again I am seeing a bullish candle with a new high, means it will definitely go up. That's why I placed here a call option. And at least for 1 minute we can expect a buyer's entry, and it is the next possible reversal. This level is the next possible reversal, and still there is a gap, so it will definitely fill that gap, and that's why I placed here a call option. But I think some news effect, now we can see very a long wick there, but some news effect now. It's a very, I think some news effect, so I don't know why market is behaving like this. Maybe some important news in this, because the time is not much good that I am trading the time, because I don't have the time to make videos. That's why I'm using. Okay, here the market is closed. Oh, they changed it to OTC market. Now they changed it, and only 3-4 pairs are available now. No problem, it's OTC, and we can trade in this market. Okay, here we can see some reversals, and today I only invest $10. Just made only for education purpose, and here the market is going down. The impulse move of sellers, and here we can see some strong bearish entry, but there is a level also. But suddenly the buyers cannot make a strong candle in this kind of situation, because if you observe here, it will reject from that level. So we can go to seller with some margin of safety. In this kind of area, must keep some margin of safety when we take our trades near to the FNR level. So always keep this tip in your mind, that when you are trading in the FNR level or the near to the FNR level, always try to keep some margin of safety. Okay, that's why I placed here a put option with some margin of safety. It's near to the support area. It will reject after hitting that level. You can see some rejection. It's a weak, very weak bullish candle, but it has some buying pressure. So here next one also should be bullish, but I need a good entry. If it's a margin of safety, it will be very good. Okay, here we can go to the buyers. Okay, here I'm going to place a call option. Oh, it's little bit late entry, I think, but here the candle should be bullish at least for 1 minute, because in the left side we can see some momentums, so it should be bullish at least for 1 minute. That's why I placed here a call option. And today I took only confirm trades. I am taking only confirm trades today, because the market making some weak candles and very strong candles also, and also I only limited trades today. Okay, I just closed above my entry, and here there is a level. Okay, here also some levels. Here we can see a resistance. It is the next step of reversal. It's working, it's rejecting, but here after that retracement over sellers, I mean 2 pullback candles, so we can go to the buyers. Okay, time is over, but here the next one should be bullish, because if the pattern is working after 1 or 2 candles, it will again we can see some buyers entry. So that 2 bearish candle, it's like pullback candle, and there is a new high when compared to the previous bearish. Here we can see some reversal, but the bullish candle is very strong, but there is a level with direct reverse. But here also I expect a bullish candle, but if it direct reverse, I may lose my trade. I took taking only confirmed trades, and here next one should be, here also time issue. Here the candle should be bearish, because if you observe here we can see some levels, it's working, and now we can see a gap down open, so it should be bearish. At least for 1 minute the market make a bearish candle. That's why I placed here a, sorry, I cannot place my trade here, but here the candle should be bearish. I don't get the entry, so I failed to place my trade here. You can see some sellers entry. Here we can go to the buyers, because we know that it's a resistance level, means it's the area of sellers, but in the sellers area we are here. Okay, we can take trade after the closing. Okay, here in the resistance area I am seeing the momentum of buyers, so it is trying, I mean the buyers are trying to break that level. So again we can go to the buyers in this kind of situation. There is a new high in the market, so there is a momentum also, so it should be bullish at least for 1 minute. That's why I placed here a call option. And if there is no sign of buyers, it may be doji. Okay, if it is a doji candle, we can go to the sellers, and we can wait for the closing. Okay, it was an exhaustion candle, and here we can go to the sellers. Very good entry point. I placed here a put option, because that the 4th candle is an exhaustion candle in the resistance area, and also there is a gap down open, which indicate the buyers are which indicate next one here should be bearish. The sellers want to enter in the market. That's why these kind of pattern, that's the working principles of this kind of pattern in the resistance area. And we will explain more. There is something more to consider while trading in this kind of area. We cannot blindly trust the pattern, but the pattern have an role in binary trading. But we need to consider something more while using the pattern. We need proper awareness about the behavior. Okay, it was also winning trade. Anyway, I don't take trade more. Just made this video for education purpose. I'm going to close this section. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. All of you, wish you good profit.